In this video, I'll show you how you can create this gorgeous look all by yourself in 4 minutes. Hi, my name is Glo-Mary and welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining, on this channel we talk about everything beauty from skincare, hair care and makeup. Now what you want to do is divide your hair into two sections. This style I made one side bigger than the other because I wanted to have that half pattern look, and it's just going to be divided into four. So I'll be using only two material. I'm going to be using this series. I'm going to be using this series by Expression Kinky, and I'll be using a proper attachment and extension from Expression as well. So I'm just going to put that kinky, that one that looks like my natural hair, into the middle of my natural hair, and I'll begin to use the attachments to thread it. Now you can also use wool depending on what you have, but I don't have wool available, so I am using this extension to thread it. So once I am almost at the end of that series, I'm going to fold the remaining to where my hand is. I'll make sure I pull in everything and then continue threading. Once I'm done threading, I'm going to tie it like I am tying, my threaded hair normally. So once I'm done, I will use my hand to mold it so that it can be in a shape that I like. So when you work on the other side, make sure that the part is unequal. This one that is towards the end side is smaller and this one is bigger, so that it can have that half pattern look. So when you are also doing it, you tilt it to the side. Now I'm done doing it, and I'm applying my edge control just to make it look neat and presentable. So if you are just joining us, we share encouraging Bible verse in every of our long form video, and this is the verse of the day. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you love it, and I hope you want me to create more of this kind of look. Kindly like, subscribe and drop a comment if you think this hairstyle is beautiful. I mean, this look all together, what would you change in this look? What would you change to make it look better and beautiful? And guys, I will make sure that I see you in my next one. If there is a video you want me to create, kindly put it in the comment section. Bye. I love you.